Fried rice? Nephew Albert making fried rice?
Let's make all bets fried rice. The smack he got, I always get from my mom because I am it.
Failure! Yeah, Nephew Albert. Vegetable tastes like sad.
I too hate vegetables being from a vegetarian family.
Hiya! Peanut oil good?
Sunflower oil, bad.
Garlic shallot good? With
Garlic and some onion because shallon is for rich people.
chopstick nice?
Cracking my egg. Wait, what the fuck is that? Never mind. Beating my egg with my baby fork.
Damn!
Egg into the pan. Now I am gonna scramble it up.
They all rice go in.
The cooked rice from 21st century. It's time for MSG, Morning Salt Goddess.
Really, nigga?
Spring onion, chili,
The white parts of red onion.
soy sauce,
Soy sauce.
sauce again. Done.
Mixing vigorously with my left hand. Done.
Yo, Uncle Roger's so proud of us.
I'm so proud of this.
Good teamwork. Now you know how to make fried rice.
Now for the taste test. I know I missed a lot of ingredients, but it tastes good.
Yeah!
Really, really good. Now I think I can be uncle someday.
You will never be uncle.